Bonjour Ryan, nous sommes le mardi 29 octobre. Il est exactement 7h50 ou alors 19h50. Ok? Donc c'est la leçon 11 sur 11 et nous avons eu le cours à 10h30 du matin. Okay. So we reviewed some stuff. I give you one additional thing. I just wanted to, I was checking actually if you were able to remember the comparatives, more than, as, less than, okay? And you did very well. I added some pronouns, like more intelligent than them, than me, than you, than her, than him, etc. Okay? So, il est plus petit qu'elle. He's shorter than her. He's as intelligent as them. Il est aussi intelligent qu'eux. So, que, them, masculine plural. Qu'elle, féminine plural. So it's them, those guys are them. Que moi, than me. Que toi, than you, casual. Qu'elle, than her. Que lui, than him. Que vous, than you. Formal. So we compared two characters, deux personnages. Le Joker. Ok. Le Joker, le nouveau Joker et l'ancien Joker. On va comparer les deux Jokers. We're going to compare the two Jokers. Le Joker 1, I forgot one. Le Joker 1, Heath. Et le Joker 2, Joachim. Qui est plus grand? Who's taller? Le Joker 1 est plus grand que le Joker 2. Okay. Or, le premier, the first, le premier Joker est plus grand que le deuxième Joker. Okay. Or I can just say the first one, second one. So le premier est plus grand que le deuxième. The first one is taller than the second one. Okay. Premier, deuxième. Qui est moins beau? Who's less pretty? I don't know. Le deuxième est moins beau que le premier. The second is less pretty than the first one. Qui est plus crédible? Who's more credible? Le premier est le plus crédible. Watch the second. Watch the last Joker. You'll see it's quite nice. Le premier est plus crédible, more credible than the other one. They have two different personalities, two characters, so it's really hard to compare. Very, very, very hard. Il est aussi crédible que le premier, as credible as the first one. Moins crédible que, less credible than. Okay? So we just play with the adjectives and we can just add whatever we want, compare one thing with another one person with another one. So we also talked about better. Better is like meilleur or mieux. So, well, this is better it's already, il est meilleur, he's better. Okay, it's not the adjective. It's an irregular adjective. That means, well, it comes from bon. So, c'est bon, it's good. I can say it's good, but this cake is better than the other one. Ce gâteau est meilleur que l'autre. Okay? So, it's good. So, the comparative of good, bon, is meilleur. Okay? Le gâteau est bon. So, c'est bon can mean two things. C'est bon, it's good, it's yummy. Or, oh, it's too much, that's enough. So, c'est bon, c'est bon. The French like to repeat this expression. C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, ça suffit. It's too much, that's it. So, we can also say c'est très bien. It's very well, it's very good. Okay, very good, good job. Okay, but it's a different adjective here. Bien. Je vais bien, I'm good, I'm doing well, I'm fine. Okay. So, I'm gonna just stick to bon, and the comparative of bon, which is an irregular form. Ses pâtes sont bonnes. Okay. Ses pâtes are good. Mais ses pâtes sont meilleures que cette pizza. His pasta are better than this pizza. Better than, meilleur que. So of course, it can be feminine, masculine, singular, plural. Okay. So, ce vin rouge est meilleur que ce vin blanc. Ce vin rouge est meilleur que ce vin blanc. Comment tu épelles? How do you spell? Le poulet est meilleur que la dinde. Okay. Chicken is better than the turkey. The chicken is better than turkey. So in French we say the chicken is better than the turkey. But in fact, well, in English it's not the case. We're going to say chicken is better than turkey. Le poulet est aussi bon que la dinde. Chicken is as good as turkey. Okay. So, as good as, better than. I'm not gonna go through the less good, okay, the worse than, because I want to make sure you remember those guys. Mieux que. Alors, mon cours d'harmonique. Yeah, I checked and it's harmonique. It's fine, just for the sake of simplification, it's better to say that. Mon cours de droit, so I can compare two classes, two courses. Mon cours d'harmonique est plus intéressant que mon cours de droit. Okay. And you made this sentence, so that was good. Mon prof de maths, mon prof de français, mon prof d'anglais est meilleur que mon prof de physique, ou mon prof de, I don't know, whatever you want. Okay. So, mieux, better. We're going to see that, okay, the next time. Est-ce que tu vas avoir des vacances prochainement? Est-ce que tu vas avoir des vacances prochainement? Soon. You're going to have vacations in the near future. Je ne vais pas avoir de vacances. Remember, if you have des and you want the negative form, we're going to have the ne pas de. Okay? Je ne vais pas avoir de vacances. Ne pas de vacances. Et en décembre, je vais avoir des vacances en décembre. Qu'est-ce que tu fais pendant les vacances de Noël? There's a small accent here. Two dots. Je rentre chez moi. I go back home. Je rentre à la maison. At home. Je rentre chez mes parents. My parents' place. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire pendant les vacances? What do you like to do during the vacation? J'aime voyager, me relaxer. I like to travel. I like to relax myself. So, se relaxer is the infinitive form. So, we need to change se according to the subject you're using. So, je me, tu te, il se, elle se, nous, vous, il, se, elle se. So, every time you deal with a reflective verb, we are going to have to change this pronoun, to change it according to the subject you use. So, j'aime voyager, me relaxer, des loisirs, hobbies. Okay. J'aime dessiner. So, just for the sake of working on vocabulary as well, next time we should probably do a movie talk and try to compare stuff, try to see if you can remember the basic vocabulary like stand up, sit up, stuff like that. And just for you to know, you already know a lot of vocabulary in French, actually. It's just a matter of pronouncing the words correctly. Let's take the example of words ending in ION. Like an information, a definition, a decision. Well, they're all the same. They all pronounced differently. Okay, une information, an information. Une définition, a definition. All those guys are feminine. Okay. Une décision, decision. There are a few exceptions to the rule. Vacation, les vacances. An explanation, une explication. A translation, une traduction. Okay. So, I didn't give you really a homework here, but I want you to give me a favor. That's where I'm gonna check if you're listening to this recording. You're gonna try to write what I'm telling you in French. Okay? So, I'm gonna write them down at the same time. I'm gonna give you maybe 5 sentences, okay? And 5 sentences, like the first one will be je vais mieux que lui. Je vais mieux que lui. Je suis plus content que toi. Je suis plus content que toi. 3. Ils sont moins intéressants. Ils sont moins intéressants que ça. Ah, let's see if you can write that. Ils sont moins intéressants que ça. 4. 4. Tu es meilleur qu'elle. Tu es meilleur qu'elle. Et la dernière phrase, 5. Nous nous sommes plus jeunes que toi. Nous sommes plus jeunes que toi. So, la première phrase, je vais mieux que lui. Je suis plus content que toi. Ils sont moins intéressants que ça. Tu es meilleur qu'elle. Nous sommes plus jeunes que toi. Ok? Well, let's do that. Tu passes une très bonne soirée, une très bonne semaine, et on se parle mardi prochain à la même heure. À bientôt, Ryan.